Introducing the LCFK Modern Coconut Pendant Light Series. The LCFK is a playful and modern lighting solution that stands out in any space. This series comes in two finish options, sleek white or black that suits any decor style. It also features an adjustable 6-foot cord to fit any ceiling height or design preference. Both color options come with matching honeycomb diffusers and have adjustable color temperature and wattage. Color temperature options of 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K, and selectable wattage options of 6 watt, 9 watt, and 12 watt at 960 lumens per watt. The LCFK also supports triac dimming, providing smooth, flicker-free dimming down to 10%. Upgrade your indoor decor lighting with the LCFK Coconut Pendant today. Scan the QR code on the screen or search LCFK on WestgateMFG.com to learn more. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.